Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're having a look at something a little bit different. This is a Mickey Mouse watch that I used to have when I was a child. And the winder on the side, the crown, is stuck. Was stuck. I took it apart. The back plate was already loose, so it was easy to remove without any fancy watch tools. And I had a look inside. Turns out, watches are bloody complicated. Mechanisms everywhere, screws everywhere. If I undo any of those, everything will just fly out. Thankfully, there were some markings in it which would give me some hints as to what model it was or what brand. 17 joules means high accuracy. I ordered a bunch online. Turns out they were all too small. The first 4 are the ones I ordered. The 5th one is mine. Too big, apparently. How was I to know? So I took them apart to see if there were any parts I could salvage. Turns out, no. They were all completely different. Even the crown mechanism was different. Some of them were the same though, between each other, between the smaller ones, which were no use. It was just no use to me. So throw all those in the bin. Actually, I sold them back on eBay. Someone's got them now. Good luck to them, I say. Anyway, managed to find some that were slightly bigger. Had a look inside. Mechanisms. Completely different again. Anyway, I ended up stealing the mechanism from inside one that worked somehow and sort of fitted it into the casing of mine. As you can see here, it is keeping perfect time, even if the Mickey Mouse is a bit scary looking. I think it was a Hong Kong manufactured watch. Have a listen. Well, thanks for watching. That was a weird video, but had to get rid of that footage somehow. Otherwise my mother wouldn't let me hear the end of it. Oh dear. Until next time, Shane McRetro signing out.